Hi, my name is Cindy, and it is time to decorate my table for spring Easter. Tablescapes, they don't really have to be expensive, so let me share some ideas to create a beautiful ambiance. Keep watching for unique tablescape with DIYs. So let's get started. Today is Freestyle Tablescape Tuesdays. Therefore, I'm going to do a spring Easter tablescape. Decorating a beautiful table is sure to make your guests feel special. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on my channel, Z9 Designs. Please use the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 24. The supplies needed are some square dinner and salad plates from Pier 1, gold silverware with white handles from Temu, felt bunnies, Temu, glasswares thrifted, napkins, Pier 1, napkin rings, I DIY'd them, tablecloth from the Tablecloth Factory, pocket bunnies as coasters, that's from Temu, and a grass table runner, this was from Michael's, paper flowers, they were free, and tea lights from Joann Fabrics, and the square chargers from Amazon. Of course, you will start off with a clean table and a white tablecloth. And I am going to lay out a grassy runner because it is springtime. And I sprinkled flowers on the runner because there is nothing prettier than flowers in the spring. So after the grass runner is down, I started putting tiny flowers over the runner, just kind of here and there, just kind of scattered them. No rhyme or reason. And since I am using square dinner plates, I found some square chargers and placed them on the table. The plates are beige and the salad plate is cream, and I just set those on top. Next, the silverware is gold with white handles, so kind of spice up the tablecloth. A white napkin is trimmed in gold and is threaded through a bunny napkin ring that I DIY'd. It looks so cute with the pom-pom in a pale turquoise and yellow. Next, I found those green mint bunnies that I am using as coasters. I put some etched glasses on top of each one. I have to be a little extra, so I put some baby's breath inside each bunny beside the glass goblet. The centerpiece is made from a DIY that I did about a month ago or so. I used Dollar Tree candlesticks and some clay pots. Also, I did a hack on the candle holders that you can also check out too in one of the shorts that I did. They are placed in the middle of the table, surrounded by a bed of flowers. Light them up and dim the lights, and you will have a special time at dinner. If you have liked these spring Easter DIYs, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate all of you. You are so sweet. And remember, let your joy be in your journey, not in some distant goal. This is by Tim Cook. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.